Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to actually show you guys how you can actually keep the launchpad on your MacBook dock. As you can see right now, it's currently on my dock. But if, let's say for some reasons, you cannot find this on your dock. Let's say for instance, I remove this from my dock right now. So you can see right now that it's absolutely not there. So all I will need to do right now is just to go ahead and just click on the Finder. So when I go to Finder, and I will make sure I navigate to applications. So from here right now, all I need to do is just to go ahead and scroll all the way down. Here you can see where it says Launchpad, and simply just drag this from here and then put it on the dock and just put it wherever you want. But I actually like to put it beside the Finder. So right now you can see it's just beside the Finder on the dock. But let's say for instance you actually don't have the options to select from the applications, dragging the launchpad from here and putting it on top of the dock. What do you need to do? While you're still on the Finder, go over to this place and just right click and click on Settings. So from here, go over to where it says Sidebar, click on it and make sure you have the applications checked. Make sure it is actually checked, or else you won't be able to see your applications just right there. And once you've checked these options, you will be able to see the application, which is gonna be able to make you see everything in the application and giving you the option to have this launchpad here, dragging it and dropping it here on the dock. If you actually like the way the dock automatically hides, I'm going to make a separate video about that, how to hide the dock. Okay, for this video I'm going to end it here. See you guys at the next one. If you enjoyed this, if it was helpful, go ahead and like the video, and you can actually consider subscribing to the channel. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.